43-year-old Boinehelo Lefefa made a brief appearance here at the Westonaria Magistrate Court this morning, which was expected to be a formal bail application. He is accused of stabbing a co-worker in broad daylight. He's facing charges of a premeditated murder. When we got to court this morning, the defense alerted the court that the accused will be abandoning his bail application. I want to bring in the NPA's Premeditated. Thank you so much for speaking to us. Before we go into what transpired here today, can we go back into this matter and tell us what are the charges that the accused is facing and where do they emanate from?
He's facing a charge of murder that is premeditated. This is in relation to the incident that happened at Sibanye Still Water mine, where the state alleges that he fatally stabbed his fellow colleague, and obviously thereafter the police had to be called and he was arrested and brought to court. So today the matter was set down for a bail application hearing, but the accused has since elected to abandon his application to be released on bail.
Can you tell us what charges he's specifically facing? Is it only premeditated murder?
For now, yes. The only charge that he's facing is premeditated murder. Investigations are, however, ongoing, so we will be guided by the process of investigation whether or not further charges should be added. So for now, investigations are not yet concluded, but we are hoping that by the 30th of January, which is the next court date, 2024, we would have concluded all investigations so that we can then move to the next stage of disclosing the contents of the docket to the defense team.
Was the state given any indication on what was the reasons for the accused to abandon his bail?
No such reasons were advanced with us as the state. We only know that he decided to abandon his application to be released on bail.
Can you give us any information with regards to who the deceased is? What does the state know at the moment?
Okay. The only information that we have as a state is that the name of the deceased is Alino Makovo. He's 51 years of age and he is a Mozambican national. So that's the only information that we have so far as the NPA.
As the NPA, with regards to your investigation, I know you said that it's still ongoing. Do we understand what took place and what led to that fatal stabbing, and then as well in such a public space, as well as having those pictures then disseminated? Do we understand what may have led and what was the motive to this crime?
Much of that information is going to be divulged in court during the trial stage. So for now, we wouldn't want to divulge the nature of investigations that the police are engaged in, and also what is contained in the docket in as far as evidential material is concerned, because that will be revealed at a later stage when the trial resumes.
Thank you so much. That was the NPA's Premeditated speaking to us here outside the Westonaria Magistrate Court this morning, where the 43-year-old Boinehelo Lefefa made a brief appearance. It was expected to be a formal bail application to be brought. However, this morning the defense told the court that the accused is abandoning the bail application. The matter will now be remanded to the 31st of January 2024 for disclosure of the docket.